Hi, I am Allie Madison. We have entered a new phase of planetary epoch. I wish to introduce a neo-ecological commune, WENATR, individual and community action for demonstrating environmental optimism and determinism, presenting neo-activities for generation boomers, X, Y, Z, and beyond, zero wasting, wilging, weeching, trivering, soundscaping, soilering, seedving, sea clouding, foresting, plogging, pletting, plasticking, orching, naturaling, nativing, lardening, herbivoring, geeting, wamping, vaulting. Join WENATR for union with nature, nature immersion for our well-being.